The last 3 years has seen an explosion of M&A activity amongst hotel platforms. This has really been driven by parties looking to secure a global market share or real distribution strength. The interesting thing is that the capital markets have awarded those companies that have been involved in these sorts of deals, and they're now trading at a premium over and above their peers. In particular, Marriott is a good example of that, following its acquisition of Starwood. Hotel companies can acquire market share within a shorter period of time and more efficiently through an M&A transaction rather than through one-by-one organic growth. Essentially, as asset-light companies, the investors are expecting these groups to grow at an average inventory of between 5 and 7% a year. So that's an awful lot of rooms that have got to come online for the brands, and the ready way to achieve that is through an M&A acquisition, which is why we've seen major transactions by Accor, for example, IHG, and even more recently Hyatt. The other driver behind it is not only just numbers, but the hotel companies appreciate that they've got sectoral gaps or geographic gaps. There are parts of the world that they simply don't have the presence that they should, particularly in Europe, which has been not as well penetrated by the larger hotel companies than other markets around the world. Or the brand realise that they're missing out on a particular customer. And I think the focus on that has been in upper upscale and luxury, where given Marriott's strength in that market, everybody is playing a bit of catch up to secure a position amongst that high-yielding luxury customer. The M&A team at JLL Hotels closely tracks, analyses, and on occasions initiates these transactions. In the last 12 months, we've seen 13 major M&A transactions for hotel companies. Even in 2019, the top brands only represent 1/3 of the total hotel stock. I think the focus going forward is really going to be around the aggregation of smaller platforms rather than the mega deals that we've seen in the last few years.